Here's us splitting the flock between valets and non-valets for the valets' second shearing day of the year. Let's do it.
Yeah, we've got
all the valets. I could show you wearing as well.
Get off. So we've brought Dumpling as well, my little Rylands, because its eyes
are a bit
can't
gooey.
really see. And then Lulu's just here because she's going in the same field as them, so we thought as well we might just bring her.
We like to give them all like a bit of an MOT before tupping anyway.
Yeah. Lilybet and Dumpy aren't going to the top.
Yeah, they're just coming for shearing.
And then them two are going into a different field.
Yeah. Yes, all good, all exciting. So here's Lilybet, she's just having her feet done. Having her little toes snippied. Tobean. Tom's got the DeWalt fan going, so they're keeping cool, he's keeping cool. Should have Pilates.
Do you realise they had black nasals?
Nasals? Navel. Bellies. Some do, some don't.
Right, so let's get you.
So valets are notoriously so difficult to shear. They tend to just go floppy when you try to shear them, like they don't brace against you. You don't get that tenseness that you get in a commercial sheep. I think it's just part of their relaxed nature. They're just really difficult to shear. It's now nearly 10 o'clock at night. The sheep are sheared. Right, so we've never used the colour powder raddle before. We've only ever used raddle on a harness. So we're using the powder raddle now, mixing it with oil and then painting it onto the top. So I'm just going to keep going until it feels right.
I think that'd be enough. Yeah, that's... I think that might make a bit of a paste.
Neon. You mix it with vegetable oil. So I'm going to keep applying this every day or every couple of days, depending on how it's faring on it. So hence me making quite a large quantity of it. So we start off with the yellow on the first cycle, and then we'll move to back in the room, and then we'll move to the blue colour after we've done the yellow, and that just means that you can tell which cycle your sheep was covered on. If it was covered on the first cycle, it's going to be yellow. If it was covered on the second cycle, it's going to be blue. And you always move darker in colour, so the blue will go. Oh, thank you. The blue will go heavier over the yellow, so obviously it's going to show up, whereas yellow isn't going to show up over blue. We've got the tope. It was actually very easy to catch. We brought him a little weather friend, a little castrated male, because he just proper loves him, doesn't he? And he's so cute. And then when we took the tope, this little weather lamb came running down like the driveway after us, like bleating for him. So we were like, oh, sod it. So he's coming as well to go and meet the girls. Doesn't really matter. It's not really going to make a lot of difference whether he's there or not. So he can just come along, so the new tope will feel like he's got a friend. I don't know. It just seemed like the right thing to do, so we've taken him as well. So he's in the trailer now. We've got the raddle I've mixed in this old jar, so I've got a little brush that got ran over on the farm, so it's not really useful for anything else. So I've got this brush, so we're just going to paint it on to his chest. So we've got the raddle, we've got the brush to raddle him, we've got some boluses on us as well, so the big boy gets 2 boluses and a vitamin drench to push the bolus down. So he's going to be all ready. He's a little bit more underweight, so we've only owned him for a week. He's a bit more underweight than we would have liked for tupping, but it sort of is what it is now. It's probably just not all gonna be such a tight lambing. It might just be a bit more of a spaced out lambing.
He might need a bit more of a rest between.
He might need a rest between his ladies, yeah. And obviously we've not synced the girls, we've not sponged them, so they're not gonna necessarily be cycling all at the same time. So it's just gonna be a bit haphazard, but that's fine. We're not really bothered. Okay, so all the girls have been sheared. Tup is in transit. Hey Ina, hey Lulu. So she's not full valet, obviously. She's Blueface Leicester Cross valet. But we thought a little 3/4 out of you will be worth selling. I'd rather that than have to send your lambs to market because she's such a lovely mum. She's such a great little sheep. Okay, so Tom's got the raddle here that we've mixed. No, Ina, you're not going in the trailer. She wants to go showing, Tom. Can I go showing?
New boyfriend.
Yeah. There's the boyfriend's little friend. There's the boyfriend's little boyfriend. She's so wild, is Lulu. Like, she really wants to be a friend. Yeah, she wants biscuits, let's be honest.
Do you want to go out?
Don't know how you've ended up here, you little mite. Oh, he wants his friend back. He's stressed now.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
it's his horn. It's got a big...
A crack down his horn, yeah, I did notice
God, the whole
that.
thing's cracked.
I couldn't see that at the auction. Don't tell me it's flexing.
No, his horn's just poor, you know. I think it's the outside layer on both.
Yeah, we'll start putting the biotin and start putting Kevin Bacon on his horns. I think we feed biotin all winter to the valets when they're in the barn.
That's why we're doing a rattle stick now.
Yeah, a raddle paddle.
What they do, you see, you get a milk bottle, you cut the top corner of a milk bottle and a rattle paddle and just.
Oh yeah.
That's why you do it.
Well, you've got a little brush to do it with.
I'm just wondering, I might do it out of the trailer, so I don't get all this dye in the trailer and then.
Oh yeah, it's oil as well. It's oil based. So, do you want to bolus him while he's in there?
Yeah, go on then.
Yeah, and then we'll do. So annoyingly, big sheep need 2 of the boluses. So he's just had 1 there. Got 1 more to have. Steady, steady. So that's the vitamin drench.
Right.
Boluses. All good. Pippi.
If I hold him, do you honour?
Sorry. Olive. She just ate the raddle.
Oh. Yeah, I think the paddle definitely.
So you can scoop.
It's not food. Let's see if we get topping. The girls over the way are shouting.
They've
Right.
seen him. They're interested.
Okay.
There he goes. Off to meet the ladies. Mm-hmm. All just having a wee bite to eat. Oh, Lilybet, you're so funny looking. Love her. The little snouts.
If you look down the gap, you know it's like nearly not full.
Yeah.
You can feel it on mouth. Just nibbling away.
So we've just brought all the boys. Well, these 12. We've left some at different spot to fatten, but we've just got these 12 boys up here to fatten, to go hopefully to market in the next few weeks, just to claw a bit of money back.
Just doing the last checks of the day, checking the girls over. This is the field's got the ewe lambs in, so naturally they're the noisiest bunch. One of the nice benefits of having the sheep up on the top of the hill, as you can see down the valley, when the rain's coming, all that yellowy red cloud over there is just dumping rain out. So I've got about 10 minutes to check round the sheep before I get drenched. The girls are looking quite well in this field. There's plenty for them to eat off in here. There's no better than finished work and having a poodle around checking the sheep. I've not got the dog with me today, so I'm just wandering around. Often if I have the dog, I send the dog round to go find everything, because he's a lot better at finding the stuff, especially when they hide in this rough grass. If there's anything that gets stuck in there, he's better at finding it than me. They don't really care about me, but yeah, all seems well tonight. Shall hopefully get home and have fish and chips for my tea before the rain comes.
So this is our Saturday. Our friends live on a farm in the Dales with a lot of land with it and a giant big hill in the middle of it all. So we had about 100 sheep together off, I don't even know how much land, too much, to fetch them all in to go through everything. So here they are in the pen, and then we run them down the race so that Anna can check them. She's checking their bags and she's checking their teeth, and she's just giving them a little bit of an MOT before tupping time to check that they are all good to go. Anna, so why have you got them all in here?
Because we're just checking that they're right in their udders and their mouths, and checking they're fit to go to the tub.
Right, and anything that's not will go to kill?
To kill.
And anything that is will go to tuck this time, apart from anything that's a bit small?
Yeah, definitely.
And your teasers are in at the minute? Why is he fixing some metal on a fence? So gathered everything off this hill, ran them into here, and then just slowly trickling them down the race so Anna can check everyone is right for tupping. And then once they're finished in here, they'll go back out. She's spraying some up, so any that have got green sprayed on them means that it's the lambs that are staying to lamb as hogs this time. And why orange, Anna?
Orange is just our foot mark.
Okay, so that's just what she's colouring them, so she knows they're hers. Good lad. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a brilliant example of why you check the bags before tupping, so that this poor ewe doesn't end up pregnant and then having lambs. A spot of sheep rustling, but it's the opposite because they're putting it in the field in the dead of night, not taking it out.
We are just checking the lamb field.
So how many is here now, Erin?
37, I think. 37. So that's a nice lot to breed off, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're not going to breed off these this year. You don't really want to be lambing cage lambs as hogs. Let's have a good mooch round. Let's see what we can find. It's a bit wet underfoot here, Ez. Yeah, that's your new one.
Oh, yeah. Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah, they spread out more here than I think they do anywhere else. This is Erin's Ryland cross badger lamb. And they usually go backwards a bit when you wean them, and I'm sure that's got fatter since you've weaned it.
Yeah.
It's so fat.
She looks good though, doesn't she?
Yeah, she does. She always looks good. It's just a really well little thing. Where's Maeve's little black one?
I think I can hear her down there.
Rora.
She's very distinct.
Bleat.
Yeah. Very loud. She's always in the reeds. I hear you.
I can hear
Hi. Hello.
Hi, Rora. She's so sweet, this little thing.
She's always here, just in here, and I'm like, sometimes I'm like, have you got lost?
Have you got lost?
Miss. What's up?
Right, so that's pretty much everyone, isn't it? I think
Yeah.
everyone here is fine. She's still here in there.
They are doing well here, I suppose.
They are. They seem to be doing better here than they've done anywhere else,
Yeah.
these Girdlands.
Look at the little one on top of the mountain.
So I've just come to check these. This is a bit of a random field because we have the two valet tups. So we have the valets on Adlib lamb fattener, just to try and get them a bit bigger. And then we have two little skinny lambs that just are struggling to put weight on. And then we have a blind lamb as well that lives here because she never leaves here. She just stays in this square paddock because she knows her way around it and just works really well for her. She seems to do really well here. So we're just having a really good look over him because he was just up grazing and then he just sort of got down and laid down and I just thought, do you know what, while we're here, let's just have a look at him. You just got to be so aware of flies.
His feet are so, they always need doing.
I know his feet are so bad. He's got the worst feet. It's like his mum. His mum's got really bad feet. Just grew in all kinds of directions. Beautiful eyes.
No, yeah, he's right.
And it's just feeding them. They were all wormed the other day and two of them ended up with mucky bones. So obviously had a bit of a worm burden that we weren't aware of. So they've had some steroids, some anti-inflammatory, some antibiotic. Feed them every day. They seem brighter. So that's good.
Little help.
So little help.
Ow, your horns are too much.
So poor Ina, who had a mucky bum, we've got two with conjunctivitis, and it looks like a third one has got conjunctivitis. Oh my goodness!
The horns are just, I can't.
So we had one with conjunctivitis last week, and now we've got three with conjunctivitis. So
What are you doing?
I brought the eye drops. There they are. From the vet.
Ah,
Oh God, are you okay?
I'm done with the horns. Look, there's so much.
Oh goodness.
Someone's horns in a bag.
Someone's gonna get it.
Lily.
Olive, don't need to.
Sometimes think it's easier, like pouring it into a bucket, then bringing the bucket like outside the field.
Yeah, okay, I do agree with that.
I found that way easier with the curd lambs. Otherwise, they just run you over. Whew. Ow, God, right in the back of the knee.
Oh God.
If you can see us, if you can't, I'm sorry. Right.
There we go. This one. How can I do this? Well done. Well done. Steady, steady. There you go.
The wild beast.
She is a wild beast. No, it's just on the outside of her bloody eyelid.
Good girl, Joy. Yeah, it's you.
Got a smell.
Which eye?
Your side.
So obviously, because poor Ina and Lulu reacted badly to the wormer, that's not accurate. They actually reacted well to it. The wormer has done its job. They've obviously had a worm burden, so because of that, we just need to be really mindful of fly strike because we're only in September now, so there's still a chance that the flies could take hold. Love this tup's wool. It's so beautiful. It's just really nice wool. So yeah, we just need to watch for things like itching as she itches, and just check her behaviour and that she's not acting strange like the tubs were when they got fly strike.
She's done. This is probably her best day in a while.
Yeah, she's fine. Like, so after like 3 days of feeling like crap after being wormed, she's finally Lulu, do not fight the little lamb.
He feels
After
banging.
feeling poorly and having the vet out twice in 3 days, she's finally seeming a lot better now. She's eating and she just seems more herself. So I'm really happy with that. He needs to work on his technique, does the tub, doesn't he?
He doesn't know how to act with all these horns. He just keeps getting stabbed in the face.
I know. The jar of Raddle is on its last legs.
Ow. Spiky parting horn.
Steady, mate. Steady, 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 steady.
Good boy, good boy.
Pass you the jar. Ow! Ow! Harm to the crotch.
Crazy how fast it dries up.
Yeah, really fast. Just slipped on an old turd. It's just re-rattling him.
Yeah, we definitely need some more.
It's in the van. I've mixed up another one. He looked so lovely when he first arrived and he was all white, and now he's all like mucky and...
Stand up. Stand up. Yeah, that'll do him.
Yeah.
Go, go, go. Andy, hey!
The cavalry. Oh my god.
Whoa, steady.
Steady.
Hey, candlesticks. Hey, Gump. Come on, Dave.
Well, you just what? You'll roll an ankle, Meredith. You're elderly. You're an old lady. Go
Is
steady.
this Gracie?
Yeah.
Pink.
Where's Pinky Wink?
Hi, Dippins.
No, you don't really need feeding, any of you. You're all quite fat.
Good Canada.
Canty just loves the attention. Hey, Meredith. That's it for this video, guys. Please don't look at this big thing on my face. I hope you enjoyed what we've been up to. It's been about a week, hasn't it?
Yeah, I think this vlog, but there's not been much going on, and when it has, it's been just
A bit wild, we've like, it was a bit busy and we couldn't really film it all, and we need to get a tripod. We need a tripod. But yeah, we hope you enjoyed it, and we will keep you posted. Please like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because we're nearly at 500 subscribers, and it just ensures us to let us keep doing this and to keep showing you guys what we're up to. So
Bye.
thank you, bye.